Good morning everyone, and Tuesday skincare video I am going to do the lip smooth. This is one of our wow product, that's what we say, because few of the products are like you will see a immediate gratification, like you can immediately feel it is working. So it is one of that, like when you get a sample, like resurfacer, which is our exfoliator for the face. Similar way, when you do this one, you will be immediately able to appreciate it. So it comes in a pack of the lip smooth sample along with the lip balm. So that's what I'm going to do for today. This tube will last you for quite a while, that's what I will say, because the amount you will use with Senegen's products is obviously very less when compared to anything else, because these are like high quality ingredients and highly concentrated. You will use just a tiny bit. For example, your lips, the skin type is completely different from your normal skin, so using what is it, like a heavy exfoliator on your lips may damage it. But instead, if for this is particularly made to exfoliate your lips, so it's going to be really soft, and it has our nanga oil. So once you do, it's going to help hydrate it, because nanga oil is full of triglycerides, so obviously you will see the moisturization from that. And also it has shea butter in it, so both of them is going to immediately make your skin soft. And if you feel like you have like dry chapped lips, or if your lip sense is not lasting, so obviously it's time to exfoliate. The inscription says that you can do twice or thrice a week. When you start using it, you may use like 2 to 3, but you will not need it as you go. Then you can slowly do once a week, or even 15 days once, or as needed. So for example, when season changes, some people may feel the dryness, or if you haven't drank enough water, you may feel dry chapped lips. So those days you can do it that. You can do either morning or evening as part of evening skincare, because it's not going to take a lot of time. I do it part of night time, because I always follow it with our lip balm to finish it off. So if you are doing in the morning, then also you can do, but only thing is, when you use our lip balm, you cannot use lip sense on top of it. You can even use the gloss just to moisturize it after. It smells really good, because I think it has bamboo and ivory seed powder, so it smells like vanilla, like how a vanilla cupcake will feel. That's how it smells, but it's not overpowering. And as I mentioned, you can use this a pointy side to directly apply, or if you are sharing with someone, then you can use your fingers to just apply it. Just take a tiny amount. This is all you need. I haven't even pressed full. I just took like a half a pump of it, and start applying it on your lips, and rub it for like 20-30 seconds very gently. Don't put too much pressure. As I said, it's very soft place, so just do a circular motion for 20 seconds. If you don't want to rub it, you can leave it as a leave-on mask too. I have done it several times. For example, if you are just going to sit and watch a movie, or just going to read a book, you can still apply it as a mask, and just leave it to soak in for some time before you wipe it off. That way you don't have to rub it, because if it is too much dry or too much peeling, and you are not comfortable rubbing it, then just leave it as a mask. You will see how much it has hydrated in that time. I'm going to just take a damp cloth here, and I'm just going to wipe it. Do you see the how well it's moisturized the lips within that few seconds? It's not even a minute. It's just like 30-40 seconds. That's all I left it off. Make sure you don't have any of those grimy particles in it. I'm just going to go with our lip balm to finish it off. As I said, you can use the tinted lip balm. You can use the any glass to follow it. That way you seal in all the moisture. If you do it at night, obviously it will get time to soak in because you are not going to eat or drink anything. So it will be soft and supple in the morning, and as it if you can see, it's just going to take less than a minute for the whole process. So always make sure you do it part of your nighttime routine. I always have them like stocked up. This is something you can give as a gift too, because it's, I would say this will last even more than a year, because as I said, you are going to use like a tiny drop of it. So anybody who gets it will be really able to appreciate it, whether it's for your friends or even to yourself. You will really like it. And also you can have the option of either doing it as a clear lip balm, or you can pick our tinted lip balms, because these lip balms are perfect gift for either men, or like I love to give these combos as a teacher's gift or friend's gift when I have, because it is like even though they are like a small package, they will last like the lip balm and all will come for like 6 to 8 months. So it will be like they can use it every day and appreciate what you have done. And if you have made a purchase, I always make sure to include it in your sample package, that way, because you can when you buy Lipsons, it makes sense to include this, because when you start, you will start with a clean lips, because the more your lips are hydrated, the Lipsons is going to stay well. And for the samples, I have already got the response from you guys, and it's going to be a busy morning. I'm going to start packing up the samples, because I want to head out the samples by next week. That's how I have planned. I'm going to post the dates too, because I want these to reach you before the date starts, and you will be ready to go. And I'm going to do like a what is it, like either one-on-one or Zoom, where I can explain each and every product. And for the lip smooth and lip balm too, you can find them in the beauty book, so you can read on them. And for the skincare sample group, I'm going to do the skincares along with the scrunchies and a few goodies in them. And thank you so much whoever have already signed up. I have only limited spots, because I don't want it to do so big, because I wanted that one-on-one concentration so I can address it better. And you will have at least 3 days worth of samples to good to go, because I want you to use it day and night, and also feel to how your skin feels after using them for at least 3 to 4 days, based on how much you have used. But as I said, you will have goodies going in them. And there will be prizes whoever participated, whoever going to even jump on purchasing it or anything. There are so many prizes that's going on, so I'll be sharing those details too in the separate group once you join in. And I already did once, and people were able to appreciate those one-on-one times, because when you do understand your skin type and then use a moisturizer or a cleanser based on that, it makes a huge difference compared to just getting a generic one. So all these cleansers are made specific to that skin type, and they address it, and you will be able to notice the difference immediately, even with the sample packs. So always feel free to give a try. You are not going to lose anything, and it is not going to take a lot of time, because that's the purpose of me making making these skincare videos, because once you understand that you just need like 2 minutes or in the morning or night, that's all it matters. Like with that too, once you have this beauty book in hand, you will see each of the product, its purpose, and also the ingredients it's made of, and the order, why I keep repeating, because the order in Senegens makes a huge difference, because they are formulated in a way that they can penetrate deeper into cells, and they are based on the molecular size of each product. So that's why the beauty book makes a huge impact when I send it. So that's all for today's video. See you guys soon in a new content.